These are the eyes. That's the little nose, and that's the mouth.
I survived. I don't even want to turn my back. Whole calendar of stuff to do. I cannot wait.
She probably would have done something a little more interesting. Someone that she trusts absolutely.
Here we go. The bulb of a human throw up. This is nasty to actually think about, but it's gonna be good though. So we got rice at the bottom, Mexican rice, homemade, rice, onion, a little bit of bell pepper, orange bell pepper, a little bit of tomato, cooked up real good with some sazon, some spicy seasonings, and some other stuff, you know, the normal stuff. I called it throw up because Nia always called this meal throw up, and it's really not. It's actually just like rotel without the meat. So black beans instead of ground beef.
Excuse me, guys. Yours is cute. Look, babe.
It's that jerk season. That's ginger. For sure. You're not gonna guess? What? I'm kind of scared. You ready? Yeah. We're about to do a night crawler walk. It's different at night. Oh my gosh. So which way should we go? This way. Okay. Because that's the darkest part. And it's wet. I know. You feel it? Okay. We're walking through here. Move. That's why I can't trust you. It's Halloween. Get off me. Mom, no you're not. Here, boom, look. And Nia always want to play. My heart beating fast. I can't even move. My body feels like it's locked up. Leave me alone. What? Did you just tap my shoulder? Yeah. I survived. I don't even want to turn my back. I know that they did get him. They got him. They turned into a cat. It's so funny to me, cause I'm just out here. I feel like a little girl again. My collection. I got some more stuff in there. But yeah. How I'm gonna make the bouquet, I don't know, but I'm gonna see. All right, I'm leaving the park now. And I got all the goods that I need. I got a nice amount of leaves and sticks. I got sticks in the bag, so. Whole calendar of stuff to do. I cannot wait.